Hi guys, I just wanted to show you a product a vendor sent to me for free, and it's a paid product. This is a paid review, and they sent me this RV shelf. It was a pair of them, and I put them up already. It was so darn easy to put them up. It's just these two screws here. You see the two screws? I just put them up in, made sure that they had some wood behind them. I put them up here, and they fold. I put them right up here beside my bed, and it is so nice to have a place to put my glasses when we're sleeping. Put my telephone there, and what's really cool about them is when we get ready to travel, they fold up out of the way. Go out and get yourself an RV shelf today, and I mean they're sturdy. I mean you're not gonna put a 20-pound sack of potatoes on them. But they're sturdy. They'll hold a book, your glasses, your watch, your phone, probably up to 5 pounds or something like that, maybe 6 or 7 pounds. But very nice, and they fold up out of the way. Go get your set today.